In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all your Instagram DMs at once, okay? So if you want to delete all your messages at once, you should definitely check out this video. So go to your Instagram account, click on settings right there, and then click on account, which is right there. Now for this, you want to make sure to have a creator account. So if you want to do that, you want to click on switch to professional account and then choose creator. Click on next and then click on next. Choose a random category, doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna choose actor for whatever reason, and there you go. I now have a creator account. Click on edit profile and then go back right away. Refresh this, slide over to your DMs, and then next up you want to click on this icon right there, top right corner. Okay, so that's that icon right there. Click right there and there you go. You can then select DMs in this row right there, and then you can select all of those people if needed, and then you'll see delete at the bottom right corner. If you then click on delete, you can delete all your Instagram DMs at once. That's how I always do this. If this quick tutorial helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. That would help me out a lot. If you can also subscribe, that would be amazing. It would help the channel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.